Welcome to sunny Benidorm. Today we're taking you inside one of the most iconic and stylish spots on the Costa Brava, the Don Pancho Hotel. Known for its elegance, adult style comfort and unbeatable location. This hotel where relaxation meets a touch of luxury. Come on, let's go and check it out. Alright, are you all staying here? Yeah, where are you from?
We're from Ayrshire in Scotland.
Oh, in Scotland, beautiful. Yeah?
And our friends
West Lothian.
West Lothian?
Yeah.
How long,
Country.
how long are you here for?
A week and a half to go.
Week and a half? You go back next week?
Yeah.
See, the weather's come out for us, hasn't it, today?
Well, the weather,
Yeah.
the weather here is now, it's really
Yeah, it was bad last week, wasn't it? Yeah,
coming in. We're here last week.
it was.
It's terrible.
So you're going having a walk up the Mediterranean? Yeah, a bit of shopping. Lovely. Anyway, enjoy your day anyway. Thank you. All right, thank you. Cheers. Before we go in the hotel, just want to take you around the front entrance to the Don Pancho. It's absolutely amazing. We've been coming here for years and years, and you kind of take it for granted, but when you look at the detail and the effort they put in, and you know, it's just mind-blowing. Have a look at this. Now I know the light's not the best in here, but I hope this picks it up. But look at that. It's got water features. You've got like these stone columns. Like Mexican feel. I think it used to be like a Mexican orientated feel hotel years ago. But look at the detail. Look at that. Now this is one of the main features at the hotel. It's kind of a photo shooting spot. We saw this being created about 4 years ago. We thought it looked a bit tacky at the time, but now it's actually grown and everything here is growing on the wall. It was an amazing idea because everyone has their pictures took and puts it on social media. Like I said, look at that. Hello. Hello. Yeah, no. A video. YouTube. Online. Spanish. Yeah. No problem. Hola. Again. Hola. Thank you.
Gracias, ¿eh?
Where you guys from?
Nosotros.
Yeah.
Sí, muy bien. Yo adelante, no, como gorda yo.
Are you from Benidorm?
Benidorm.
Yeah. You live in Benidorm?
No.
Madrid?
No.
Barcelona?
Catalonia.
Catalonia.
Figueras.
Ah, yeah.
Museo Dalí.
Okay. Yep. You having a good time?
Sí,
Yeah,
vacanzas. Sí. Hoy partir.
Yeah.
Hoy partir.
No problem. I haven't got a clue what to say. Have a good day. Thank you.
Adeu. Gracias, ¿eh?
Adios. Everyone's so friendly. You stick a camera up and everybody wants to talk to you, which is brilliant. I love it. What an entrance. So I mentioned like a Mexican theme earlier outside. Look at the columns in here. Look at the detail. The quality of the finishes. Hello. Got 3 vanity units. ceiling. So we just nipped up to the second floor, and I'm not sure if you know about the Don Pancho, it has quite a unique feature. Who would have thought you get a bowling green on top of an hotel in Benidorm, eh? Blackpool in the sun apparently. Don't think you've ever seen one of these on top of an hotel in Blackpool. Look at that. How good's that? And I've just noticed you can see the beginning of the strip down here, so let's have a quick look at this. You see the Western Saloon there in the foreground, the Crown Pub, the Wild Duck, you've got the Ambassador, you just see the Flash and the Sol Pelicanos. Look at that, how good's that? Alright. So guys, give you a quick look around the room. We'll start off with the bathroom. You've all got eyes, so you don't really need me to describe everything in here, but it's a good size. Bidet, toilet, nice big shower. There is a guy on YouTube, if you follow hotel reviews, he measures them by how many people you get in there. I'm not going to mention his name, but it begins with T. But you can look, you can get a fair few people in there. Not sure why you need to know that, but only made for one. Go through into the bedroom. We've got two nice full-size single beds. You've got your sockets each side. Now they don't have USB sockets in here, so if you come in, you're going to need a an adapter for your USB devices. You've got a telephone, but not sure why anybody uses them these days. Loads of storage. You've got two double wardrobes and drawers in there. You've also got a safe. I'll show you. There you go, you've got a safe. Now that is chargeable. That's €1.90 per day. So we're staying here 10 days and that's €19 for the 10-day stay. We've got a nice big Philips, I would say 40-inch, maybe 50-inch TV. Now when you do arrive in a standard room, you get 2 bottles of water free of charge. So that's a nice touch. And you get your tea and your coffees. And you get a proper mug. If you like a cup of tea, you got a nice cup, a nice mug to make that tea in. You got your teas, you got your decaffeinated tea, sugar, coffee, milk, get everything in there. Got a kettle, have a quick look. Nice and clean, as you'd expect for this standard of hotel. And then down here we've got a fridge. Now all that is our stuff in there, so it comes empty, but it's a very cool, well working fridge, and you've got a couple of glasses under there as well. Again, storage under the TV, and we've got a table and chairs here. Moving on to the balcony. It's a good size, and what a view you've got from up here. Look at that. We're on the 14th floor. Every room in this hotel has a sea view, but the higher you go, the better you get on the view. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. On the balcony we've got 2 reclining chairs and footstools. I have to excuse the bags, we put them there out the way. But 2 recliners, and you can smoke on this balcony as well. But the highlight is, look at that view. So just give you a little bit of information about the Don Pancho and the hotel and the rooms. You do get a information sheet when you check in. So we're on room 14 on the 14th floor, and we're on a bed and breakfast basis. Yeah, so breakfast is between 8 and 10:30. If you're on half board, you can choose to either use your dinner or your lunch. You can swap them. So if you want to do lunch one day, you can do. Want to do dinner, you can do that as well. This is a standard room, but you can also, if you get a superior room, there's a few benefits in getting a superior room. Obviously they're a lot bigger than a standard room. You get 2 bottles of water daily free of charge, and you get a welcome pack as well. Tea and coffee is unlimited, but that's in the standard room as well, so no real benefit. In the superior room you get a robe and slippers as well, and you can choose between whether you want single beds or you want a double bed. You can choose that in the superior room. So like I say, you get an information sheet around what's happening in the hotel, all about the rooms and the pools and everything is on that. So guys, while I'm waiting for the lift, I've met this lovely maid who looks after our room every day. What's your name?
Monica.
Monica.
Yes.
How long have you worked here, Monica?
No, doesn't.
A long time?
Yes.
Yeah? You like working here, yeah?
Yes, 10 years.
10 years?
10 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So Monica's worked here 10 years. She does an absolutely amazing job. So if you're on, do you just do this floor, 14?
Yes.
No others?
Here.
Yeah, just 14. So if you're on 14, guys, Monica is going to look after you, and I'm pretty sure you're going to look after her as well. Yeah? Well done. All right, thank you.
Okay.
Cheers, everybody. Oh, San Miguel, can't beat it. So we're just waiting for Deb's long lost friend Janet from Manchester, who she used to go to school with. They were flying out this morning for a few days and staying at the Don Pancho. So I don't think you've seen it. How long ago was it? 4 years? 40 years. So Deb's not seen Janet for 40 years, so it's quite exciting. So we're just waiting for the Jet 2 coach to drop them off at the front of the hotel, and then we'll go and say hello. Here they are. That's Janet. Not that one, not her.
Not her.
No, I don't think that's her. The next one.
I think that is her.
Oh, these two here. No,
That's
that is
Janet.
her.
A few moments later.
So they're here. They've turned up. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good. Are you?
Yeah, not bad. So this is Janet and Mark.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
And this is Deborah. So come on, tell us.
Hello, Deborah.
Why is it 40 years since you two met?
It's Deb's fault.
Why?
We live down.
Why? You live 20 minutes away and you
have to come to
Benidorm. Why is that?
It's Deb's fault.
Deb's fault. It's all your fault.
always
It's always
my
been
fault.
your fault,
It's
hasn't it?
life. It's just life.
And the sun's shining. We're all drinking Mao. Is it Mao?
Mao.
Yeah.
Cat
I
piss.
call it Mahal.
Mao.
I call it cat piss.
Yeah.
You
Mao
call
Mao.
it
Cat piss.
Oh gosh, like cat piss.
Well, if it's cat piss, I feel proper beard bud stuff. Cat piss.
It's strong, isn't it? Yeah, it's really strong.
Is it?
So,
I thought
yeah,
it was
definitely
weak.
strong, yeah.
No, mine's not weak.
Oh, maybe it was the Sol I drank then.
No, Sol's not weak neither.
Oh.
Just have a shandy. You'll be
Any of the
fine.
beer over here is
don't
about
like
£5.
shandy.
We'll all be on
No.
shandies later, apparently, but I don't think we will be. Anyway.
I
You
get
get all the
on,
cheeky
no, I
Victoms.
get on Diet Coke and water.
Do you
Mine's
really?
Diet
yeah.
Coke, that's me.
Yeah.
Oh, dear.
There you go.
It does. It sobers you up.
It's a mank thing.
Saluda a la cámara.
Hi guys, so that wraps things up looking around the Hotel Don Pancho here in Benidorm, a place that's often rated as the #1 choice for the older clientele. With its adult-only policies and pretty strict rules, it definitely offers a more relaxed and refined vibe compared to a lot of other hotels in this location. But what do you think? Is the Don Pancho the best value for money in Benidorm? Or is there another spot you would recommend? Drop your thoughts in the comments right here below. I always love hearing from you and I'll reply to each and every one of you. So that just leaves me to say, if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget, give us a like and please subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing. If you ring the bell, we love that as well. It costs nothing to follow my channel, Here We Go Again, and it really helps me. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one. Ta-ra!